The 2019 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Sport includes all the features of the Subaru Legacy Premium and adds several distinctive touches you won't find on any other Legacy. The responsive and efficient 4-cylinder Subaru Boxer engine and Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive will help keep you connected to the road. And you'll achieve maximum fuel efficiency with the smooth Lineartronic CVT. The exterior of the 2.5i Sport stands out with exclusive details, like 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, satin chrome mirrors with integrated turn signals, side rocker spoilers with chrome accents, a unique sport grille, and trunk spoiler. Safety does not take a back seat in the Legacy Sport with standard EyeSight driver assist technology with pre-collision braking, and blind spot detection with lane change assist and rear cross-traffic alert for added awareness. High beam assist is available to automatically activate and dim your high beams for optimum lighting in any condition. Subaru Starlink Safety and Security is there as well to promptly send first responders in an emergency, help police locate your vehicle if it's stolen, and more. Keyless access with push-button start makes it easy to enter the cabin, where you'll find an interior as distinctive as it is spacious. The Sport's one-of-a-kind two-tone gray cloth interior with blue stitching and carbon fiber patterned interior trim with gloss black accents let you know you're in something special, while the 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat with power lumbar support, along with dual-zone automatic climate control and heated front seats give you comfort you can personalize. Subaru Starlink Multimedia Plus with an 8-inch touchscreen features standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, along with Sirius XM All-Access Radio and Travel Link. Immerse yourself in your music with 6 speakers supplying rich sound. The Sport offers the added convenience of the available Subaru Starlink Multimedia Navigation System powered by TomTom, and an available power moonroof for an open-air feeling. To learn about the next models in the lineup, the Legacy 2.5i and 3.6R Limited, click the link on your screen.